Meaning of entice.
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 Entice. Entice means to attract or persuade someone to do something or go somewhere, typically by offering them a reward or incentive. The result of enticement can be positive or negative. On a positive note, it can lead to someone taking advantage of an opportunity that they might have otherwise missed. On a negative note, it can result in someone being lured into a dangerous situation or making a poor decision based on false promises or misleading information. Overall, enticement is a powerful tool that can be used for both good and bad purposes.